All right, folks, this is Steven at Courtenay Nissan again, and today I'm going to be showing you the 2024 Nissan Frontier Pro-4X. This is actually one of our certified pre-owned vehicles. Only has about 2,000 kilometers on it. One of the things about the Pro-4X version of the Frontier is the fact that they have upgraded the suspension system. It is sort of the off-road sporty version of the truck. First of all, you're going to notice the wheels and the tires. They are specific to the Frontier. So you do have 17-inch rims on here. The suspension system is upgraded with the Bilstein shock absorbers in here as well. And the other thing that sets it apart is the fact that they've shortened the wheelbase. So you'll notice it's quite short here, shorter box. It's about a 5.5 foot box. Shorter wheelbase means it's got more maneuverability when you're getting through those tight spaces if you're going off-road or some of the back roads that we have here on Vancouver Island. There's a few features on the box of the truck. Nice easy opening tailgate. You'll also notice the interior of the box is fully lined. That's a full metal box as well. The frame of the truck is actually a fully boxed ladder frame. Another feature that you'll see in the back of the Frontier is this Utilitrack system. You'll notice that it goes all the way around the box of the truck. What this is designed for, you can actually attach tie-down cleats onto the Utilitrack system. So you can put the cleats anywhere you need them to be. And then once they're in there, you've got a great place to tie down whatever you might have in the back of the truck. You do have your backup camera built in right in the tailgate. And of course, if you're backing up to come up to a trailer, we do have a trailer hitch built in and your wiring plugins for the trailer. All right, so in the back seat of the Frontier Pro-4X, there are a couple of plugins back here. There's also a 120 volt power outlet back here. Now, these back seats can lift up to give you extra cargo space. This side will lift up as well. We're starting to see some of the orange stitching that comes with the Pro-4X version. In the front of the vehicle, again, these beautiful Pro-4X trimmed seats. This driver's seat is a full power driver's seat. We do also have a wireless charging pad for your cell phone. You have heated seats, heated steering wheel. The Pro-4X is also going to come with a locking rear differential. So for those real extreme off-road adventures, you can simply lock the rear differential with a press of a button. We do have navigation built in, and this also has a really great backup camera system. It actually has 4 cameras. So there's 2 on the side, 1 in the front, 1 in the back. It can combine all of those cameras into a 360-degree view. So if I put this into reverse, you look at the screen, we've got our backup camera on the left-hand side of the screen, and on the right, you have a 360-degree view all the way around. You can actually see the painted lines on the parking lot that we're sitting on right now. As you turn the steering wheel, you can see the guidelines will actually show direction that you're going to be going in. And one more feature I do want to show here is when we press that camera button one more time, we can actually see the right front wheel of the truck. So if you were coming in parallel parking, this is a great aid as well, because you can literally see the front wheel and the curb as you're coming in to parallel park. All right, so that is the walk around on our 2024 Nissan Frontier Pro-4X that we have here in stock. It is available right now. We do have it on sale right now for $49,900. So if you're looking for a truck in the midsize category, the Frontier is going to be a really good choice, and I do encourage you to come down and take a look. If you do want to have a look and take it out for a test drive, give me a phone call at 250-338-1988. Again, my name is Steven, and we're at Courtenay Nissan. Thanks very much.